What's going on, guys and girls? I'm out on the bike this beautiful leap year day 2020, and the reason why I'm out on the bike is not only because it's gorgeous, but also I saw a used motorcycle online that back when it was new, I never got to see one in person. But I've always been interested in this color scheme, so I am on my way to Clarksville, Tennessee to go check it out and see what it looks like in person. Will it be everything I dreamed of, or will it just be so-so? Well, let's see. Meanwhile, let's wait on this traffic. What's up, Hawk? Look at all the motorcycles and ATVs needing a home. This is what I wanted to see in person. Crack fairing. Two-tone brown that always intrigued me.
You know, 10 years old, very fun. Average just, you know, classic way.
Personally, I like the full dressed out fender. We'll say it's interesting though. Hmm. 2019 with 2,300 miles on. Those pipes.
Fall down. They'll near $7,000. Yeah, you ain't nowhere near 8 to 10 grand. Can't beat that. Well, that's nice.
So I come up here to look at one bike that is really rare, that Harley Ultra Limited 2014. Kind of reminds me of the desert in a way. You know, the color scheme. Wow. Nice for them to stop, huh? It reminds you of the desert with the color scheme, but it is a shame that it has half the miles my bike does, and the paint job definitely has seen better days. I mean, a lot of chips and nicks and the crack in the fairing. But you know, it's a used bike. It's a little overpriced for all that wear. And then the Beauty in Black, oh my gosh, that thing, just something about it just talks to me. And I've seen them before, but that one, I don't know what it is. I don't know why it's talking to me so much. So come time for the Indian demo rides, I'm gonna have to wrangle one of those. You know, I'd really love to have a full valance front fender on a Indian. That's what they were known for. Can you imagine a full valance front fender and that flat black or matte black, however you want to call it? Oh my goodness. Those gloss black accents. Woo-wee. Stinks. Neat thing about the Indian, those huge ape hangers, you know, besides rotating them back a couple of degrees, makes them just a bit more comfortable, rider friendly. You could easily put a true beach bar on that thing and have plenty of cable and throttle. Don't think those were stock by any means. Oh goodness. Well, I gotta beat feet home because the missus and I are going to soccer game tonight, professional soccer game in Nashville. So it should be interesting. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you taking the time. Maybe I'll catch some quiet ride footage on the way home. Damn, somebody else with a flat. That's just weird. Gosh, I hope I'm not next. So I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy the ride. Stay safe and have fun.